dili gyud sila mohunong og banha ba, kanang di gyud sila komportable nga mohilom na lang sa sila kadyo. Hi guys, welcome to a new video. For this video, we are going to do a review of this is the human This is the Human Nature 100% natural sunflower beauty oil. Sabi dito 100% no harmful chemicals. Ayan. I think you already saw this on my haul last time, and last time nilagay ko siya sa face ko. I just have to tell you though na I think sinabi ko dun sa haul na okay naman siya, pero hindi talaga siya okay. By the end of the day, I was like drenched with oil. I don't think that my face is actually ever going to like an oil-based moisturizer. So, since then, hindi ko na siya ginamit for moisturizer. For the price, I got this for $199.75. The good thing about Human Nature products is that you have a guarantee na talagang organic yung products nila. And according sa narinig ko, parts of their earnings actually go to charities. Yun yung sabi ng kaibigan ko at least. Ay, nakakainis talaga sila. So, ang sabi dito, this is a beauty breakthrough and cult classic since its unveiling. Human Nature's sunflower beauty oil is known and loved as a top-to-toe beauty solution. It helps even out skin tone, visibly diminishes the appearances of dark spots, pimple marks, and dark underarms. Helps keep skin looking luminous, helps soothe tender, irritated skin, and so much more. So, those are the claims of this product. By the way, the one that I have here is in 100 ml. May dalawang uri nito. We will push through this. Bahala sila. Mag-away sila dira. Ito yung first 100 ml. But if you just want to try it out, you do not want to invest like on mas mahal na product, you can get the 100 ml one or the 50 ml one, and that's I think for 149 pesos. So yeah, this is just how the packaging looks like. As you can see, talagang maganda naman talaga yung packaging niya. Sunflower. I really love yellow. If hindi nyo pa alam, yellow is actually my favorite color. So I like na yung takip niya is sturdy. Hindi siya madaling masisira or anything, and that it has a pump. Kasi parang mas manageable siyang gamitin kapag may pump, hindi yung parang binubuhos lang ganyan. What I don't like about it though, about dito sa sistema na to, is just like other like mga oil products. Kapag hindi mo siya nababantayan, naglilik yung product niya dito sa sa takip niya. So as you can see, hahawakan ko lang siyang ganyan, and may oil na ako sa kamay ko. Ayan. What else? That's just for the packaging. All in all, gustong-gusto ko siya. Ang ganda lang talaga nitong packaging na to. So I really like that about it. Ever since using it the first time, I did not use it anymore for my face. What I found it useful though is for my hair. As you can see, I have curly locks. And if kulot yung buhok mo, you will understand kapag yung parang naligo ka, tapos sa kalagitnaan ng araw, nagiging dry na yung hair mo. Ang pangit niya kasing tingnan, yung parang hindi, ano ba yung right na term? Hindi magandang tingnan yung kulot na buhok. Parang ang dry kasi ng kulot na buhok. Kasi yung kulot na buhok, iba kasi yung parang pagkakagawa sa kanya compared dun sa mga straight na buhok. So, kailangan namin yung parang tamang enough na moisture para hindi siya masyadong maging oily, tapos hindi din siya masyadong dry. And that's what I like using this product for. So what I normally do is that pagkatapos kong maligo, kumukuha lang ako ng isang pump na muna, or dalawa pala yung pinump ko, dalawang pumps ng oil, tapos irarab ko lang siyang ganyan sa skin ko para ma-distribute ko siya sa mga kamay ko. And then, ang ginagawa ko, nilalagay ko siya dito sa dulo ng buhok ko. So, ayan, ganito yung itsura ng hair ko. So, what I do is, inaano ko lang siyang ganyan, nilalagay ko lang siyang ganyan sa ilalim ng curls ko. So I really like it because I do not have to put any more like curling products sa hair ko. Yung parang I have a guarantee na by the end of the day, magiging in shape yung buhok ko, hindi siya magiging sobrang dry, and hindi din siya yung parang, yung alam niyo parang nung parang naligo sa baby oil, hindi siya ganon. So basically, that's what I use this product for. So kapag napansin ko na parang kalagitnaan ng araw, magiging dry na naman siya, so lalagyan ko rin siya, and I don't have to worry about it having to like be parang mabigat sa buhok, kasi may mga hair products na ganito na medyo mabigat sa buhok eh. That's what I really like using this for. I actually also found other ways of using the product, like kapag napunta ako ng office tapos hindi ako nakapag-lotion, so ito na rin yung ginagamit ko to moisturize, especially yung legs ko and my feet. So effective din to. Also found this useful for those mga products na dried up, na like may makeup products na dried up na gaya ng mga gel liners na meron tayo. So I have a gel liner right here. This one is the Gel Intensa eyeliner. This one's from L'Oreal. As you can see, marami pa siyang laman. Kaya lang hindi ko na siya masyadong nagagamit kasi medyo matigas na siyang gamitin. Hindi na siya parang magandang gamitin for application. So what I normally do is kumukuha ako ng eyeliner brush. The one that I have here is the silicone brush from Real Techniques. Ayan. So ang ginagawa ko muna is binabasa ko siya nitong oil. Hindi ko nilalagay yung product dun sa sa oil, hindi ko nilalagyan ng oil yung product mismo kasi parang kapag may oil, medyo madali siyang masira. So ang ginagawa ko is nidip ko yung brush dito sa oil, and then that's when I dip naman yung brush dito sa eyeliner. What it does is it moisturizes the eyeliner. It gives you a more consistent line, so nasusulit mo talaga yung paggamit ng product mo. So yes, those are actually the 3 ways that I'm using this product kasi hindi ko siya magamit sa face ko. Sinubukan ko siyang gamitin actually also sa skin ko ulit, like para matulog overnight, but I did not like the result. Nung umaga yung parang mura na dyan ko magpritog itlog sa kong agtang, and I do not like that feeling. Kaya kasi kapag oily yung skin mo, yun talaga yung pinaka number 1 na ayaw mong mangyari. But definitely this is very good for like moisturizing hair, especially if you have curly hair like me, kasi talagang nare-retain niya yung curls mo buong araw. Yung parang nag-mousse ka na rin, but the feeling is like lighter, ganon, and hindi siya mabigat sa buhok, kumbaga. I also like to use it to moisturize some other skin parts aside from my face, and also for reviving yung mga dried up na mga makeups na kagaya nitong gel liner na to. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Kung nagamit nyo na tong product na to, or if you really want to try it out, those are my thoughts on the product. Human Nature I think is also already available sa mga supermarkets kasi nakita ko to sa Metro Ayala. If you're really interested, I guess you can just go ahead and sign up sa kanilang mga offices, because if you're a member, I think you get 25% discount, which is actually already a very good deal. So yeah, that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again on the next one. Bye.